Hello guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. In this video I have a 2018 Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross and I'm going to show you how to escape from the boot. I say escape from the boot, it's actually there if the battery's gone flat and you need to open up your tailgate. However, I think it sounds a bit more fancy if you need to escape. So we're going to open up the boot fully and I'll show you where it is first and then I'll show you it actually working. That's why I've already folded the seats down. So just up here you'll actually see a little door, so we're going to go ahead and open that up, and then this is your boot latching mechanism. So you can just see two screws down there, and there's actually a lever. It's hard to show on camera. There's a lever just above the two screws. Inside that recess you can actually get your finger in there and move it to the right, and that is how to operate it. So let me show you from inside the car. So here we go, I'm locked in the boot of the car and I need to escape. So I'm going to go to this little door here, pull that down, and then I'm just going to get my finger in. It's quite hard to do. And I'm just going to pop that to the right, and now I can lift up the boot and I'm free. And there we go, that's how to successfully escape from the boot of your 2018 Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross. If you found that video helpful, please do give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.